right, Inside Jeff's Mind. And I titled it, Close the Door, We Ain't Making It Anymore.
Oh, boy. Here you go. Well, these are vehicles that are no longer going to be made by different manufacturers, and we kind of all know what they're going to be happening, but there's 30 of them out there. I picked 8 because of time, but the first one, the one that stands out the most that we just got back, would be the Chevrolet Camaro. GM is ending production of the Chevrolet Camaro after 2024, and it's sending it off with a collector's edition. Oh boy, who wants one? Yeah. And the rumor is it's coming back as an EV.
Yeah.
That's the rumor.
Good luck on that.
Yeah.
Sell lots of those.
Yeah, been another 10 years. The next one we have on board is the Dodge Durango. The three-row Durango is slated to be replaced by the Stealth nameplate after 2024. The Durango name would come back later, according to rumors, on a body-on-frame SUV based on the Jeep Wagoneer's platform. So it will be back somewhere down the line, a little redesign and a little bit different platform. Jeep Cherokee, back to the Jeep nonsense here. Yes, the long-lived Jeep Cherokee nameplate hits the trail. In fact, production already ended earlier this year, in case you haven't noticed. The larger Grand Cherokee sticks around, so that's going to be the bigger model will still be there in case you want to get into one of those.
Wasn't that a Paul Revere and the Raiders song?
Jeep
Cherokee Nation?
No, yeah. I thought that was Cher. Anyways,
no, that wasn't Cher.
Well, contact Mike if you know.
I think Cher redid it.
There you go.
Don would know that.
Ram 1500 TRX. Ram is concluding production of the hefty TRX with a final edition. Ram will bring an off-road capable 1500 RHO in 2025.
RHO.
Yeah. It's I know what that stands for. I just lost my train of thought. But
Ram High Output.
No, it's something totally different.
Roto-Rooter High Output.
We'll look it up. And then the automaker insists that it's not a replacement for the more powerful TRX, but stay tuned. It could be. You never know. They do kind of fib every now and then. Ford Edge is another one. The midsize Ford Edge probably won't survive after this year, due in part to, get this, labor disputes in the automaker's Oakville assembly plant in Canada.
Labor disputes.
Remember when all the contracts and stuff were going on, and everybody, we're shutting down and we're going to strike and all that? Because of that, this brand is going away. Blue Oval's ongoing transition into the EVs maybe later on for this model. But because of the Canadian strike.
Because you've raised such a big stink, we're just going to close down the factory.
Shut her down.
Yeah. Shut her down.
The next Ford is the Transit Connect. Ford's smallest work van, the Transit Connect, won't survive through 2024 model year. The company did have a new version of the Transit planned using the Mavericks platform. Check that out. But those plans have reportedly been scrapped also. So I kind of like the little van. I think it's cute. I
think around town, like a...
Did the engine blow up in it, too?
No, I don't know, but it could use that. You could call some music equipment in it, some gear, all that good stuff. So, The next one on the list...
You can put a couple of lawn chairs back there and put some shag carpet in it.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, there you go. Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe. Who would have thunk this? The C-Class convertible won't be the only discontinued version of the compact luxury car.
Wow.
Mercedes also plans to kill off the C-Class Coupe at the same time.
They only make a bajillion models.
I know.
What's 2?
Leaving only the sedan in the lineup for the foreseeable future. So the convertible and the Coupe are going away. It's the same platform. They just cut the roof off. The last one, it is a Ford Escape, newly refreshed for 23 model. Ford's popular Escape compact SUV is reportedly taking its leave in 2025 in order to usher in, taking its leave, going on leave.
Okay, taking a leave.
Taking a leave, not the pill. But what's it going to be?
I was going to call it something else.
Mike
but
knows.
Go ahead.
It's going to be an EV later on when they bring it back.
Yeah, okay. Sure.
Yeah.
You just go for that.
There it is.